How to see watch videos history on Facebook. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see all of your watch videos history on the Facebook app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open the Facebook app. Then here you have to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner here. Then tap on your name. And here tap on these three dots besides edit profile. Now here tap on activity log, and here in activity log scroll down. Here you will see logged actions and other activities, so you have to tap on this drop down arrow. Once you tap on this drop down arrow, you will see here videos you have watched. Tap on it, and here you will see all of the videos you have watched. So if you want to clear a specific watch history, you can tap on that watch history's three dots and then tap on delete. Now that watch history deleted. So if you want to delete all of your watch history, you can tap on here clear video watch history and tap on clear. Now this is the first method to see watch video history on Facebook. Now I will show you second method. So go back to home page, and here in home page in the top you will see this videos icon. Tap on it, and here you will see your profile icon. Tap on it, and here you will see saved videos history, so you have to tap on history, and here you will see all of your watch history on Facebook. So this is how you can see all of your watch history on the Facebook app. Thanks for watching.